So what we're doing today is we're making sweet potato hummus sandwich. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. We're going to use 100% whole wheat hamburger breads. Then we're going to use a new variety, natural avocado and cilantro hummus. It's really delicious. And then we're going to cut up the sweet potatoes and lay it in between both sides of these breads when they come out of the oven. So once the sweet potato is out of the oven, cut it in small slices, maybe about a 1/4 inch thick. Just think of it that this is going to be the main ingredient in the sandwich. It's hot. Then take the hummus and you're going to scoop it inside the bread, like this. Now this is almost like putting an avocado on your bread, being that it is avocado and cilantro. Then take your sweet potato. Now this time I cooked it with the skin. I like these skins. In this case, hot sweet potato. And a little bit more in the middle. Okay, so it'll look like this. And when you open it up, you'll see that it's got the hummus and then the sweet potatoes are in the middle. Another healthy meal, a nice lunch treat. Thank you for watching. So what happened? Was it easy to eat that sandwich? No, it wasn't. Basically, the bread was starch, the sweet potato is starch, so it's starch on starch. Not exactly a balanced vegan meal, but it was a different type of sandwich and it did taste good. The bad thing about it is that because I had put so much hummus on it, the potato went sliding across the plate as I bit into it. But then, I guess that's just the way it is. You learn from your mistakes. The pan, I had to wash down the pan because as you can tell from the mark on the bottom of this sweet potato, it leaked from the pinholes that I had created. But they're all ready for future meals and I have a good day.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.